Hearo app. So this is a really cool alternative to Rave. So here is the app. This is how it's called. Rave app recently has been quite buggy with, people just can't watch Netflix or YouTube with friends. It's super buggy. And as an alternative, this is one of the top apps out there. So this is where you can just find it, and like movies are better with French, watch TV shows, movies on Disney Plus, Hulu, Prime Video, HBO Max, YouTube, and all your favorite streaming services together with your friends with built-in voice and text chat. Gather your family and friends around your favorite movies, shows, and streams with a tap. Just send them to your Hero party link, then start watching together. So this is where it is. So you can just watch, chat, enjoy all your favorite movies and TV shows with your friends. And let's just take a look at it. And then here you have, okay, so there is an upgrade option, ad free. So unlock ad free watching video chat, unlock video chat for your party. First 3 days free, then $10 per month. So that's the idea. But then here you just have it. You can try to use it as it is. So you can start a party. For example, if you want to choose a video, then for example, I will try to choose my video. So for example, I just choose this video. But of course you can use Disney Plus, Netflix, Hulu, Prime Video, HBO Max, Peacock, Paramount, Stars, Crunchyroll, Pluto. Watch some material from your Google Drive, from your Twitch, from Apple TV Plus. But obviously you need to have credentials for this account, and you need to be paid a subscriber for this account. For that account, and then you can just go to the room. In the top left you can see all the controls there. You can regulate volume, just few buttons. Then you can just tap plus icon to invite people to your room and share the link. If you want to have a video chat, then you need to upgrade. I don't know if there is just a simple text chat, so seems it's just not possible. There are also some basic settings like resolution settings. You can make it full screen. And yes, so that's basically where it is. So change volume. And top right, there is a cross. You can just tap on it, and then this way you kind of remove the video. And then there are settings for the profile, where you just have the profile, and these are your settings, which you can sign into your accounts before, and then it will be kept saved. And so then you can just close your party or create another. So this is how it looks like. It's kind of very easy app to get started. Very nice, clean design. There are not so many ads, and much cleaner design compared to Rave app. So pretty cool alternative to Rave app. So you can definitely give it a try if sometimes Rave app is super glitchy. So have fun.